Hi there, Jennifer Phelps, Jennifer Phelps Organize, Design, Reinvent. And I want to share an article with you called Coping with Quarantine. And so while we're reading all kind of stuff like that, this is what the first paragraph said and totally caught my eye. It says, I am a quarantine failure. Now, before you think that means I'm not staying at home or social distancing in the coronavirus pandemic, it doesn't. But it's society that makes me feel like I'm doing this quarantine thing all wrong. Oh my gosh, I was so hooked right then. Because yeah, that's what's happening. I mean, we all feel like many of us feel like we're failures because we're watching social media and all of our friends, they're just amazing. They're rocking this whole quarantine thing. I mean, they're purging everything and cleaning everything with a toothbrush and a Q-tip. Others are building a chicken coop and others are reenacting their favorite artwork using vacuum cleaners and Cheerios. I mean, it's crazy. So it's really hard not to feel like you may be missing out on something or you should have done more and you haven't. So see, everyone copes in a different way. There are those of us who need to hunker down and just feel all the feels. This has been a scary and uncertain time. And we need to just hunker down and feel all the feels. And there are those who they purge and they organize and they exercise and they clean because they have anxiety. They have urgent, anxious energy that they need to build up, and they're coping in their way as well. So for those of you who are quarantine failures, I just want to tell you that you're not alone and that I understand and that we've been through very uncertain and scary times, and it's going to continue being that way a bit as we start opening up. But this is a gentle reminder that everybody copes differently. We're all going at different paces, and we all have, we're all in different places. So we need to respect where we each are. And the final message that I would say, and this is probably the hardest, and this is true now and everywhere, for those who think they're quarantine failures or those who think they're total quarantine rock stars, do not compare your inner life with other people's outer lives. So true now, true every time. This is Jennifer Phelps. If you have any questions or if there's any way that I can help you, or you just want a 30-minute chat about, stuff and how to move forward, please give me a call or please email me or check out my website. Thank you. I hope you're all doing great. See you soon out in the world. Bye.